Hi guys, in the first lecture we discuss about course outcomes and course objective and course contents and credit of course. Today we will discuss about definition of algorithm, criteria of algorithm, various issues for writing algorithm, objective of designing algorithm, design technique of algorithm, real world applications, analysis of algorithm, performance analysis of an algorithm. Now, first, what is an algorithm? An algorithm is a list of steps. We can sequence of unambiguous instruction for solving a problem that transform the input into the output. In given figure, problem, write in the term of algorithm. In algorithm, we applied some set of values as form of input and computer provide a desired output. A simple definition of algorithm. Now, several definitions of algorithm existed. We discussed one by one. We can say an algorithm is any well-defined computational procedure that takes some value or set of values as input and produces some values or set of values as output. Also, we can say an algorithm is thus a sequence of computational steps that transform the input into the output. In other words, algorithm is a tool for solving well-specified computational problems. All algorithms must satisfy the following criteria. First, criteria a feature of algorithm like input. Zero or more quantities are externally supplied in an algorithm is the first criteria. Second, output. Any algorithm produce at least one quantity is produced. Third, definiteness. Each instruction is clear and unambiguous. Fourth criteria feature of algorithm is finiteness. Means each algorithm terminate a finite number of steps. Effectiveness. Every instruction must be very basic and easy in an algorithm. Above five criteria are satisfy all algorithms. Now, also we differentiate between algorithm and program. Algorithm is finite, but program need not to be finite. Algorithm is written using natural language or algorithmic language like pseudocode, but program are written using a specific programming language. Algorithm provide at least one output, but program, the procedure, output may or may not be produced. This basic difference between algorithm and program. For writing algorithm, there are various issues we will discuss here. First, how to design algorithm. Means the creation of algorithm is a logical activity and one cannot be automated. Second, how to validate algorithm. The next step after creation of algorithm is to validate algorithm, means the process of checking whether algorithm computers correct answer for all possible legal input is called algorithm validation. And third, how to analyze algorithm. Means analysis of algorithm means determining how much computer time and storage is required for an algorithm. Fourth step of algorithm, how to test program. After finding efficient algorithm, it is necessary to test that the program written using a efficient behave properly or not is define the how test program. For designing algorithm, we can use following steps. decision making and capabilities of computational devices. After this, we study about which type of method used by designing algorithm, like exact method or approximation method. Which type of data structure are used for designing algorithm? What type of algorithm strategies are used? After studying of these factors, we design the algorithm. After designing the algorithm, we verify algorithm and validate algorithm. After validation and verification of algorithm, we analyze the algorithm is efficient or not. After analysis algorithm, we code the algorithm in form of programming. Now, we discuss some designing technique for algorithm. First, designing technique is like incremental approach. What is the meaning of incremental approach? In incremental approach, in this approach, every time we increase the index to insert an element and proper place, that like a selection sort, insertion sort. Divide and conquer approach. Divide and conquer approach like problem into number of sub-problems. Divide a problem into number of sub-problems. Conquer sub-problem by solving the recursively and combine the sub-problem and find the solution like a merge sort and quicksort. Next, greedy approach. In greedy approach, to solve problem locally optimal decision, it is always not best. Next, designing technique like backtracking approach. This method is based on trial and error. We will discuss in 40 minutes. Some important problem types in design. Problem types, which is solved by algorithm, like sorting a set of item, searching among a set of item, string processing, text bit string gens sequence, graphs, model object and their relationship, numerical, continuous math, solving equation and evaluating functions. Searching problem, like find a given value called a search key in a given set. Example of searching algorithm, sequential search and binary search. String processing problem, like a string is sequence of character from an alphabet, like text string, later numbers and a special character. String matching, searching for given word of a pattern in a text. Example, searching for word phrase on www or in a Word document. Graph problem. Informal definition of graph. A graph is the collection of points called vertex, some of which are connected by line segment called edges. Modeling real life problem, modeling www, communication network, project scheduling. Example of graph algorithm like graph traversal algorithm, shortest path algorithm, topological sorting algorithm. Some real world application of design analysis of algorithm. Hardware design like VLSI chips. We use the algorithm for designing a compiler. Computer graphics like movie and video games. Routing image in the internet. Searching the web. Distributed the file sharing. CAD CAM manufacturing. Security e-commerce voting machine like multimedia, CD player, DVD, MP3, JPG, SDTV, DNA sequencing, protein folding, and many more problems are solved with the help of designing algorithm. Now, analysis of algorithm. For analysis of algorithm, consider following two factors, mainly two factors like space complexity and time complexity. The space complexity means the space required at the time of run algorithm. You can say the space complexity can be defined as amount of memory required by an algorithm to run. For the computation, the calculation, the space complexity, we use the following equation. SP equal to C plus SP, where C is the constant and SP is the instance characteristic. C constant, that is fixed part, and it denoted the space of input and output. Instance characteristic, SP is space defined upon instance characteristic and amount of space taken by instruction variable and identifier. Next factor is time complexity. The total running time of an algorithm depends upon a completion and running time of an access. According to running time, we can classify three cases. Worst case, the worst case, the function defined by the maximum number of steps. Average case, the function defined by the average number of steps. And best case, the function defined the minimum number of steps. Performance of analysis of an algorithm. Any algorithm performance solved by number of algorithm. To judge an algorithm, there are many of criteria, some of them. किसी भी algorithm की performance हम जो measure करते हैं तो following general instruction ये हैं. It must work correctly under all possible conditions. Then algorithm better efficient. It must solve the problem according to the given specification. It must be clearly written following the top-down strategy. It must efficient use time and resources. It must sufficiently documented so that anybody can understand it. It must be easy to modify if required. It should not be dependent on being run on the particular computer. Today, we discuss about definition of algorithm, how analyze the algorithm, how design the algorithm, what use the step for designing algorithm, application of algorithm, and analyze the algorithm. Now, next lecture we will discuss how analyze the time complexity of an algorithm. Thank you very much.